everyone! Remember last week we had one very nice experiment? We did the slime? Yeah, today for our science class we're gonna do a different type of science. We're gonna do about physics. Who have been to an airplane? I had been to the airplane. I came from Brazil in a very long airplane. I spent like 28 hours on the airplane. It was so long. Would you like to share? Oh, you have been to Hawaii. So fancy. Did you like it? Very nice. Would you like to make an airplane today? Yeah, all of you? Okay, a paper for you, a paper for you, a paper for you. Why do you think some paper airplane flies better than others? Some of them goes faster, others go higher. What do you think? Oh, let's see. Yes, Tim. Would you like to use another type of paper? Sure, the recycling one. Oh, such a good idea. Let's do with both and see the difference between them. Okay, take a paper, fold it in the middle. Yeah, right in the middle like this. Well done. And then you do a triangle with the corner to the side. And then you flip it the other side. So you have two triangles. One here in this corner, another one here in this corner. And then you just need to fold it again like this. Well done! You are doing so well. Would you like my help? Yeah, here we go. Well done. Good job. Let's see if it's gonna fly. Or do you wanna do the other one first? Sure. Let's do it. Right in the middle again. Fold it, making the triangle. Folding again. One more time to make the wing. Well done. Okay, let's try. That's science. We try, and we can always do it again if it doesn't go right. Woo! Let's try the other one. Wow, what do you think? Yeah, they're pretty similar. I agree. So the type of the airplane changes how they go. If they go faster, they go slow, it's because of the paper. What else? Because the way that we dropped. That's right. Wow, this was so much fun.